Hey guys, my name is Sanjay Raj and welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a YouTube channel and I'll be giving you step-by-step guide. So make sure to watch the video entirely and don't miss out anything, guys. So with that said, I would say let's get started. So I'm going to be dividing this video into different parts like equipment, software and the hardware you need. So I would say let's get started. So the first thing is equipment. Equipment is really essential if you want to start YouTube channel. You can't start up a YouTube channel without even having a laptop or any kind of equipment. Like, it's not so pricey, but just you need something to start up. So equipment, definitely you don't need a computer. Like, if your kids starting up a YouTube channel nowadays in 2019, more kids are starting up a YouTube channel. That's really good. Creators are coming for the YouTube platform a lot. But whoever you are, a kid or an adult or anyone, make sure you have a computer or a laptop or even a mobile phone or smartphone. Now that can do the work. So even if you don't have a computer, you guys probably do have a family computer where the whole family uses one computer, so you can ask your parents and do that. But if you have your personal laptop, now that's good. Now that's a bit equipment. So for the equipment side, there are a lot, but just to start off with YouTube, there's not that much of equipment. So let's get into the software. The softwares are for recording and editing. Definitely you need recording and editing if you're going to start up any channel. So first of all, for screen recorders, I would say OBS, Open Broadcaster software. OBS is such a good software, guys. You guys can live stream from that. You guys can record. You guys can do pretty much everything. That's really awesome. OBS is the best, I would say. But I've noticed that OBS does not work properly on low-end PCs. So I have some suggestions for low-end PC screen recorders. So some of them will be Ocam. All the links to all these screen recorders will be in the description down below, so just don't worry, guys. So Ocam is one of the best softwares. Now Ocam is not that much of a noticed software, like not everyone uses it, but I somehow got to know Ocam and it's really good. I'll leave it in the description down below. I would say that's the best for low-end PCs. And also Fraps, Bandicam and Camtasia, all those stuff. Fraps and Bandicam, I don't know, they're really good, but Camtasia is paid. So if you're willing to pay and get some really good features out of Camtasia, they have the editing software too, so if you want that, you can get it. So software, next one we have you need to make thumbnails. So to make thumbnails, you definitely need a program. You can do it online nowadays, but I'll just give you some picks. First is obviously Photoshop. Photoshop you can buy, but there are some web sources and stuff, YouTube videos where they show you how to get it for free. So if you really do want that, you guys can check the description down below. I'll leave a link to it. But apart from Photoshop, there are really other websites too, like Pixlr, Canva and stuff. I'll leave it in the description down below. They're really awesome. I'm not gonna show you any practical stuff on how to do those stuff. But if you want me to make a video, I'll just leave it in the comments down below. And also now let's move on to the video editing softwares. Video editing softwares, definitely you need Sony Vegas Pro. Now that looks complicated when you download it and just open it up for the first time, but it's really easy. I would say that's the easiest one out of all the picks I've got. So Vegas Pro, if you definitely want that, you can search it up on YouTube and get it for free. But if you're really genuine, you guys can purchase it, but it's like, £500 or $600 or stuff like that. So if you really want to pay and get it, you guys can get it. So another pick I would say for small YouTubers who are just starting is Windows Movie Maker. For Apple it's iMovie, but for Windows it's Windows Movie Maker. It's really good, but don't just judge it by the best. I would say best, but don't judge it by that. It's really awesome, guys. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I'll leave a link to everything. So after that, the main thing here is whatever you do, like whatever I'm saying does not matter. You guys have to be consistent on YouTube to grow. So I'll leave a link to my video in the description down below where I show you how to think of a YouTube channel name and also how to get more views and subscribers by just starting off. So make sure to watch those videos if you guys want. I'll leave it on the end screen too, but it's in the description down below also. But also subscribe to my channel. You guys see that red button in the bottom when you scroll down. Also click on the like button and comment down below if you have any other video ideas. And I would say let's get, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.